students, welcome to Sairam Classes English 1 to 3. I'm Ritu and today I'm here with the poem of class 10th, and this is the third poem of your syllabus, the Ball poem. The poet of this poem is John Berryman. Before starting the poem, I will tell you something about the poet of this poem. John Berryman. He was an American poet and scholar. He won Pulitzer Prize for Dream Song, which was a collection of 385 poems. And he also won National Book Award also. Introduction of the poem. In this poem, the poet is telling us about the realities of the life which everyone has to face one day in his or her life, and he also telling us that how we should overcome these miseries and these sorrows in the life. Now proceed to the poem. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. The poet is telling us that there is a boy in the poem and who was playing with his ball, and suddenly what happened? Suddenly the ball slipped from his hand and went down to the street. Now as the poet is seen watching the scene, so he wants to know that what will be the reaction from the boy side as he has lost his ball. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? It means what the boy will do as he has lost his ball. He was playing with the ball. As the elder ones, the ball has no not so much importance in our life, but as a small boy, it is a very prominent thing. It is a very important thing for him. What is he do? I saw it go. Who is the I here? I is the poet here. The poet is saying that he has seen that ball. It was merrily. Merrily means it was happily bouncing. It was happily jumping up and down to the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. And after slipping from the hand of the boy, the ball went to the near the river, into the water of the river. Here the poet has used anaphora. Anaphora means you can say that here is a repetition of word. What, and that is called anaphora. And in this poem, assonance is also there. Poetic device, assonance. It is also there. Assonance means the sound of same vowel again and again. Boy, O sound is here again and again in this poem. So we can see that there is an assonance in this. Now second stanza. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. The poet is saying as the young boy loses his ball and he is very upset, so it is no use to say to console him that there are other balls, because he has other balls, but the ball which he has lost, it was unimportant for him. It was connected from his memory. An ultimate shaking grave fixes the boy. So as he lost his ball, and that's why he stands stiff. He was very upset and he was standing stiff and looking down at the deep gloomy water. As he was looking down to the water, he was understanding that he will not be able to find his ball because it has lost into the water now. All his young days into the harbor where his ball went. As we know that the boy is very much in grief. He was in sorrow by losing the ball. The ball bounced with the ball slipped from his hand and went into the harbor. And with that ball, all his memories of the childhood days flashes in front of him. He is recollecting the memories which are with the ball, and he know that those moments which he had spent with the ball, they will not come like the ball. I would not intrude on him. A dime another ball is worthless. Now he senses his first responsibility. The poet is saying that he doesn't want to intervene him. He doesn't want to intervene his thoughts. And by giving him a dime. Dime means 10 cents. Dime means 10 cents. It is used for money. That he can give him money, and by that money he can purchase another ball, but that ball will be worthless because it will not give him belonging. Now his sense is first responsibility, and now he is realizing the first responsibility in this world, and he is feeling that how the person feel as he lost his belongings. Third paragraph. In a world of possession, people will take balls will be lost always, little boys, and no one buys a ball back. As we know that the boy is upset when he looks into the gloomy water of the ball, because he knew that he will not be able to get his ball back. And in this way, first time he is taking the responsibility, or he is knowing or experience the grief of losing something. The poet suggests that from the loss of the ball, the boy is learning that what is the means of lose something in the word of possession. We lost something, and after that we get much more things to, we purchase much more things to replace those ones, but we will not get them back. The balls, we lost ball always, but we will not get the ball back again in our life. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. The epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. Money is external. It means money is the external thing. By money we can take the things, but we cannot get our get our things back. हम नई चीजें खरीद सकते हैं, but we cannot take the old things back. In the same way, the ball is signifying here our childhood. As our childhood grows, our innocency gone in this way. The people are here in the world which take our innocency like the ball, and they will force us to grow up, and after that we will not get our innocency back again in our life. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes, and by desperate eyes, by set mind, by set eyes, he is learning the knowledge of loss. In this word epistemology, epistemology is a Greek word for losing something. Greek word. It is a Greek word for knowledge. How to stand up. Here he is learning how to stand up with these miseries, how to manage ourselves, how to stand up ourselves after losing something, how we get back again, knowing what every man must one day. And this is the reality of the life which everyone has to face one day. We have to come out by these miseries of our life, and most know many days how to stand up. And like everyone, he is learning also to manage all these things, to come out all the miseries, all the sorrows of losing the things, and how to walk out after that. I hope you have understood the poem. So please like and subscribe the channel for new update, and hit the bell button also by which you can get notification as I update my videos, and follow us on Instagram also, sairam.education. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy at home. Thank you.